Your Monday market report for single-family homes in Lakeview, Chicago, April 2024. Are you looking to buy a single-family home in Lakeview, Chicago? Here's the latest data you need to know before making your next purchase. I'm Hugo with Coldwell Banker. I am your local real estate expert in Lakeview, Chicago. It looks like in April, the average sales price for a single-family home in Lakeview was $1.6 million, and it's increasing very little. The average list price ratio is 98.86%, which means that if a home was listed for $1 million, it was sold for $980,000. The number of properties sold in April was 8, which is the exact number of sales in April of 2023. So if you're looking to buy in Lakeview, Chicago, give me a call. Let's chat. Let's figure out a strategy to find your dream home before prices continue to go up. And if you're looking to sell your home in Lakeview, Chicago, the next video is for you. If you would like a market local report in your area, send me a message and I will get one for you. Give me a call, send me a text, 773-550-4846.